Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I'm super excited on today. I'm bringing to you 3 things to never use your credit card for. So what I need you to do is like and share this video, and if you're watching me on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, right? Leave a comment, tell me something nice. Hey, yes. How you doing? And so this is just a midday money talk, guys. I want to come through really quick just to share with you 3 things never to spend your money on, right? Some of us used to spend money. Hey, Tamika, how are you, girl? So 3 things you should never spend your money on is what I'm going to talk about today. You know, a lot of us have credit cards, and back in the day, you know, we used to go to Rent-A-Center and Aaron's Furniture and buy food. Good afternoon, Tamika. Hello, Lamar. We go out to eat, right? All those things. And so let me tell you something. I knew that those were the wrong things to do with my credit cards, especially now that I have credit cards that I have bought whole homes on, right? Actually use my credit card to buy a property. So I know things that you should use your credit card for. Hello, Tusi. And things you shouldn't swipe your credit card for, right? So one of the things you don't want to swipe your credit card for, hello, Rick, is food. Okay, it's food. Now, the only reason why you want to probably use your credit card is if you got good discipline habits and you're using your credit card to get cash back. Like my Wells Fargo Propel card gives me cash back every time I buy food. So I use that card to buy food with, but I pay it off every single week. But if you don't have those type of discipline habits, you don't need to be using your credit card for food. You know why? Because the food, you're going to eat it, you're going to digest it, and it's in the toilet, but you're paying interest on it. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? You don't want to buy food with your credit cards. I used to do it. Papa Do's, Spun Divots, Ruth Chris, right? All of these places, swiping my card, but I was only paying the minimal balance, all right? And I looked up and boom, my credit card was almost maxed out. Then that's a good reason to. And you probably have good buying habits, Tamika. If you have good buying habits, then you can do that. Most people will not pay their credit card bill off in the first 18 months. They won't. Let's be honest. Most people don't. That's why they credit jacked up, because they don't pay their bills on time. So if you're not that person that's not going to pay, if you don't have good discipline habits, then you don't want to spend your money on food. It just don't make sense, right? You're going to use the bathroom and the food is in the toilet and you're still paying interest on food, all right? So that's one thing you don't want to spend money on is food. Number 2, clothes. You don't want to spend money on clothes. If you can't buy the outfits that you want to wear, do not put them on credit. By the time you wash them and all that stuff, you're paying interest on something that has no value, all right? So cash is king when it comes to that. Don't put clothes on your credit card, all right? Once again, unless you got good buying habits, good discipline habits. Hi, Tanita. Good discipline habits. Then okay, fine. But most people, let's keep it real. Most people do not have good buying habits. We don't know how to manage money, right? We do not even know the rule of 72. Most people do not know the rule of 72. They don't know that, you know, that $30 meal is going to cost them $300 once that 20% is added onto that, right? They don't know that, right? They don't know that the credit card companies, if you know the rule of, well, that's a whole other video, the rule of 72. If you want to know more about the rule of 72, then you need to go to www.diysmartcredit.com. Okay, we'll get into that. This video is strictly about what not to buy with your credit cards, and clothes is one of them. All right, I have given so many clothes to the Salvation Army, right? And I bought them on a credit card. right? Probably still was paying on them until I got into this company that I'm in now, and I learned the rule of 72. I learned to keep my credit utilization really, really low. So, and it skyrocketed my credit score. So I learned that. So you don't want to put clothes on your credit card. All right. The third thing is furniture. Yes, this is the rule of 72. The rule of 72 is so powerful. And I'm going to do a video on it. And I think I already did a video on it, I believe. You go to my, hit the search button in Facebook, you'll probably find that video. But I definitely did a video on the rule of 72. And I'm going to do a new video on it and put it on my YouTube. So if you guys are watching me on YouTube, then hey, find that video. And if you're watching me on Facebook, I need you guys to go to my YouTube, right, and subscribe, because a lot of good content is coming through. All right. So what number we was on? Number 1 was don't buy food. Number 2 was don't buy clothes. Number 3, furniture. Do not put furniture on your credit card. Okay. If you can't buy the furniture, then you don't need the furniture. Okay. If you can't buy the couch, then you don't need the couch. You need to be sitting on the floor. All right. You need another solution. All right. If you got to buy food, clothes, or furniture on a credit card, then you need my help. You need me to help you put some more money in your pocket, because the only people that put food and clothes and furniture on their credit cards are people who have good discipline habits, who pay their credit card bills off on time, and they can get that 0% interest and that cash back. Or, what was it at? What was I saying? I'm sorry. Those are the only 2 people, or right, the only people that can afford it. I sit on floor 5 months so I can afford it. That's right, Lamar, you got to. And that's your motivation, right? But back what I was saying, the only people that need to be buying food, credit card, and furniture on their credit card bills if they got good discipline habits and they pay their bills on time. And they making money, right? If you got to buy food and credit card and furniture on a credit card, that means that you cannot afford it, all right? You cannot afford it, and you don't need it. You don't need to eat there. You don't need to wear that. You don't need to sit on it. Okay, so those are the 3 things that you do not want to buy with your credit cards, because they're liabilities, right? Especially if you're not earning money. So the solution to you earning more money is getting into an opportunity that you can share with other people and earn some income. That is how I got out of my mess. My credit was jacked up, y'all, because my credit utilization was high. I was a credit card queen. All right. I lived a lavish life off of credit cards. Okay. So I go travel, do whatever I wanted to do on my credit card. But then I looked up and I found myself having all this fun, and every commission check, every dollar I was making, I was paying it off on my credit cards. My lifestyle caught up with my income, and I was still broke. All right. I was still broke. And so I needed an opportunity that was going to allow me to get more income so I could pay my credit cards off. Right. It wasn't no sending a dispute letter. I need to pay my damn bills. That's just simple as that. I'm being as authentic and transparent as I can. The solution to my credit problem was that I needed to stop using my credit cards and pay my bill down. Okay. But the thing was, I was living commission check to commission check. So I needed another commission check to give me that extra income I needed to pay what I need to pay down off. And this company, this opportunity that I have right now, gave me the cash flow manager. The cash flow manager enabled me to put all my bills, give me a financial statement. How many people watching me right now have a financial statement? Do you have a financial statement? Come on, Cash, shut up. Audrey, do you have a financial statement? Yes or no? So you need a financial statement. A financial statement, it shows you your profits, your loss, your income, and your expenses. A lot of us are broke, busted, and disgusted because we don't know our income. We don't know our losses, right? We don't know our expenses. We just spending money. We don't know where it's going. We just spending money. We don't know where the money going or what it's doing. or nothing. So when you operate like that, then guess what? You don't never have no money. So you need to be accountable for what you're spending. So this opportunity gave me the cash flow manager. So I know my debt to income ratio. I know what I need to spend money on or what I need to stop spending money on. Then it also gave me the debt eliminator. I paid my house off in 7 months. I've been in my house for 7 years, been in the company 7 months and paid my house off. So you tell me, what was the issue? The issue was the lack of education. That debt eliminator allowed me to eliminate my mortgage. I was able to take the money I was making, put it into this debt eliminator system, and it gave me a real blueprint on how to do whatever I want to do. If I want to pay my mortgage off, I could have put credit cards. I could have put send my daughter to college. I could have put retirement. You could put whatever your dream and goal is into that debt eliminator, and it'll give you a real blueprint on either how to earn money or multiply your money or manage your money. So that system alone is so powerful. And a person like me, I needed it. All right. I never had any financial education. Nobody in my family really earned more than $100,000 a year. So they didn't give a damn what they would spend their money on, right? And then I had this big old gigantic bill with the IRS that I needed to learn what to spend my money on so I could minimize my taxes, right? And so it's a lot of stuff that you just got to learn, guys, with this system that I am on. But I need you guys to know these 3 things. If you're fixing your credit, do not use credit cards for those 3 things. Type them in the comment box if you're watching me. Type it in the comment box on Facebook or either on YouTube so that the person that's watching me next can already see it, right? We got to get in the position to start helping other people. And the way that you can help somebody else is just to type it in the comment box. So number 1 is don't spend money on food. Number 2, don't spend money on clothes. Number 3, don't spend money on furniture. And just overall, don't spend money on anything that you cannot afford, right? Because now you're messing up your credit. You're messing up your credit. Credit utilization is 30% of your credit score. So you want to keep that credit utilization down. And the way to do that is don't spend money that you cannot afford, right? Don't put things on credit that you cannot afford, all right? You got to have good discipline habits to do that, okay? So like and share this video, guys. If you want to learn more credit hacks, go to www.diysmartcredit.com. DoItYourselfSmartCredit.com. That's what the DIY stand for. We're teaching you how to do your credit yourself. You don't have to go pay any ridiculous prices. You don't have to go, thank you, Annie. You don't have to, go out here and rob Peter to pay Paul. You just learn simple strategies on how to hack your credit score and increase it. All right. So go to www.DIYSmartCredit.com, guys. I'll see you guys on the inside. Bye-bye now.